Hello guys, welcome once again to PPC Ads Pro YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be going over how to link your Google Ads account to Google Analytics account. First, you want to have a Google Ads and Google Analytics account. If you don't know how to create a Google Ads and Google Analytics account, please watch my previous tutorial on below descriptions. Let's log into both Google Ads and Google Analytics account. I'm going to first log into Google Analytics. Here you want to choose your account. Then enter your password. Next, I'm gonna log into Google Ads account. Now we log into our both Google Analytics and Google Ads account. Here you wanna go to Google Analytics account, then go to Admin. You can find it on left bottom of corner. Let's click on Admin. Before you proceed it, you have to make sure few things. If you have multiple accounts, you have to make sure which one you want to link with Google Ads. Make sure select the particular account. Then go to the properties. You might be have Universal Analytics and GA4. Select the Excel property that you want linked with Google Ads. Then here you want to go with property user management. Let's click on it. Then make sure your email ID has permissions. Let's close this. Then go to Google Ads. Here you want to go to settings. Then go to access and security. Here also you have to check whether you have admin access. Otherwise hit on the blue plus button, then enter email ID. Then provide full admin access, then send invitation. Here you wanna find product linking. You can find it. The first one is Google Ads linking, second one is Bing Cody linking. We're gonna go with Google Ads linking. Right now there is no more linked account. We're gonna link a new account. Let's click on this link button. Then here you wanna find your account. Click on this choose Google Ads account. Just select your account. Then hit on this confirm button. After that, click on this next button. Then enable personalized advertising and enable auto tagging. Let's choose this default option, then hit on next button. Here you wanna click on submit button. Right now you would see their link created. Also, it make up to 24 hours for your Google Ads linking to begin display data. You can just close it. Right now you can see there one Google Ads account is linked with Google Analytics account with this particular PPC Ads tutorial at gmail.com account. Then let's go to Google Ads account. Here you wanna go to settings. And here you wanna find Google Analytics. You can see here right now our Google Ads account is linked with Google Analytics account. In the same way, you can also link your YouTube channel to Google Ads account. You just wanna come to settings and click on this linked account. And here you wanna find YouTube. Click on these details. In the same way, you can just click on this button and then you will get an email notification. Then you have to confirm it. I would recommend to use same Google ID for Google Analytics and Google Ads account. It could be easy to handle all these different accounts. That's it. It's very simple process. You have to just log into Google Analytics, then go to admin, and here you wanna find Google Ads linking. Then hit on this Google Ads linking, then click on this link button. Once you clicked on this link button, here you wanna choose your Google Ads account, then hit on next button, and there are some configuration and review and submit. That's it for this tutorial. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.